Okay, this is one of my treatments that I'm finding is most productive because what I'm finding out is the needle goes through the fascia. The and it doesn't break up enough to actually complete the healing process. So what I'm doing is I'm going inside the fascia like this. Like that. And breaking it up as best I can. But the acupuncture needle can't do it. It's too gentle, the acupuncture needle. So I'm using a hypodermic needle. And it is a 25 gauge. And you can see it there. And so what I do is I just slide it through. I've numbed it up so it really doesn't hurt. I can still feel it, which is good. Because then I can determine, and I'm pulling, and as you can see, this tissue is going to release. There it goes. It's released. So now I can aim in a different location. And it's amazing how tight the muscles, those little face muscles, they get very, very tight and you can't get the needle through. That's how powerful a sick muscle is. It will just lock, and it's impossible to pull a screwdriver out of someone's hand when it's locked. It's impossible. The only way to get the screwdriver out is to cut the fingers off. The muscles don't mind. I felt a little give, and that is a spot right there. And it's tough. So all these years, I've been going through the problem. Now I'm going into the problem. And I'm finding that I get a predictable result. It still comes back because it's been there so long, but I get a predictable result. And having a predictable result means you keep going. But the patient is the only person who understands and can feel what's needed. So in this therapy, the patient is always correct. The provider is never correct. The only thing you do is you serve the patient. The patient tells you what to do. The physician is irrelevant. Anybody, a nurse can do this. A physician, a nurse practitioner, a medical assistant can do this. You don't need a MD. Irrelevant. That's the reason why it's not being publicized. Because if this was available, there would be no need for doctors. That's deep. No need for doctors. Have a good day.